Good morning everyone. My name is Vida Rahul Bunande from grade 1. Today I am going to tell you today day and date. Today date is Saturday. Today date is 13 September 2025. Thank you. Good morning all. This is Gargya Patil from grade 2. My name is Bhumi Patil from grade 2.
Good morning everyone. I am Urvi Torkar from grade 2.
Good morning everyone. This is Sia Kambade from grade 2. We are going to tell you today's importance of the day. Observing today International Chocolate Day. Chocolate is a sweet treat made from cocoa bean. It can be dark, milk or white. People eat it in bars, cakes, cookies and drinks. International Chocolate Day is celebrated every year on 13 September. It's the birthday of Milton Hershey, a famous chocolate maker.
Chocolate grows on cacao trees in one place like Africa and South America. Beans are taken out, dry, roasted and made into chocolate.
Some chocolate fun facts are: white chocolate is not real chocolate. Chocolate can be used in drinks like hot cocoa. The biggest chocolate bar ever made weighed over 12,000 pounds. We from Shraddha Olympiad School want to send a message that learning is fun. Respect farmers, sharing is caring.
Chocolate makes you smile. Let's share it with love and joy today.
Thank